Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secret. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one just start to try to get you guys into it and just try to show you guys the type of results you can get with just one account. Now, some people might get better results than me, some people might get worse results than me, but this is what I'm getting, guys. So anyway, excuse me. If you're interested in following along, make sure to click the link in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. I'm so sorry, guys. Still got a cold going on. But first off, I want to talk about why I like promoting $25 business. And overall, essentially, it's a funnel builder for $25 per month. Now, you get a lot of other stuff too, but that's what it is. Very easy to use. If you used the funnel builder before, you know how to use the funnel builder, all right? But this one particularly has no limitations on it. You can make as many funnels you want, many pages you want, many domains you want, all that good stuff. You have your whole business. All your businesses can be in this one thing for $25 per month, guys. That's insane. That's truly insane. All right, guys, so if you're interested in that alone, it's a really good product, you know what I mean? You know, another great feature is that people who make funnels can set, you can get their funnel. They'll let you get their funnels. No problem. It becomes part of the the funnels you can pick if you want to. And so you can create, most of the time, you probably won't even have to really even build any funnel because there'll be so many of them that you choose from. Sorry. And to compare, the most popular funnel builder out today is ClickFunnels, which is $150 per month. With a ton of limitation, you only make 20 funnels and all that crazy stuff. One domain connection, which is insane. All right. And if you want more than that, guys, if you want to get rid of those limitations, it's gonna cost you $300 per month. That's a whole year in the $25 system for practically the same thing. That's ridiculous. Don't pay that $300 when you can pay $25, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. It's a really good product, is what I'm saying. And the second reason why I like promoting it, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested, it's because of this affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is unheard of. I never heard higher than 80%. I never heard anywhere close to 80% recurring commissions. Not ever. Not even close. Highest before this was maybe like 30, 40%, somewhere around there. And don't get me wrong, 30% is really good. Before I found this product, 30% would be considered really good. 40% would be considered fantastic. But this is 80%, guys. This is insanity. All right, guys, you're making with this minimum amount of work. So anyway, guys, those are the reasons why I like promoting it. And we're finna look at our results real quick, but we're gonna refresh the page to show you guys real results. If you see results and they don't refresh the page, don't believe them. You know what I mean? Very easy to change these numbers around. So anyway, let's refresh it. Okay, that took a very long time for some reason. Anyway, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Now that's fantastic, guys. So we making money with this. So anyway, let's go on to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Click on mailing system here. We're gonna click on all our leads here. We're just gonna load up the next email here. Boom, boom. Pretty much done with that email. Alright, so we're just gonna load that up. Got that going there. Email. Very short email, as you can see. That's what we're gonna use. Very short emails. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And the link we're gonna use is all the $125 business right here. This is the link we're going with. Alright guys. So yeah, we're using that link. That's email. Make sure the link works. I know it works because I'm gonna use the email before. Anyway, perfect timing. Perfect timing. They'll send an email around time people check their emails. So when we send an email, and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very easy, very quick. Do this. Only take you about half a minute to do every day. You just do this every day. You get a couple $100 extra, guys. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting a couple $100 extra by doing this every day. Just simply doing this little bit. Now I'm making a video showing you guys, but I don't have to do that. If I wasn't doing that, it only take me about half a minute to do. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. You're interested in following along, like I stated before, the link's in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.